What's up, my peeps? So today we're gonna be doing part 2 of the Crown Vic rebuild, or I guess refresh, or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna continue from the trunk moving forward. We're gonna paint the spots we treated yesterday, put the lining back in, vacuuming, make sure the trunk's 100% done, and just keep moving forward. We're gonna have to redo some things in the back seat, and you know, we'll take you along for the ride. Off and take the 24 bolts holding it.
Ooh. And then soon to be the baby. Woo. 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 Shit is clean.
You filming me tie my shoe?
It looked like we just shot it like a movie clip. It looks like a scene in a movie. Cool, but then I was gonna say Keat. Cool and neat. Keat.
Sounds like a sex move.
Can we try Keat?
Ben, did you just keep? I'm filming, by the way.
I know you are.
It's going on Facebook.
No, it's not.
Your mom's gonna see you.
No.
Kevin, what do you guys say to your parents?
I love you. See? I win, you lose.
Alright, let's watch Calvin paint for the very first time.
I gotta test it.
How about we back up like 5 miles so...
Okay.
Alright guys, so he's painting the trunk. I try to film, it's just the what's that called? The overspray from the paint's actually coming out of the trunk and flowing towards the camera. So unless I'm like right in there, and I don't really have a cover yet for the lens, so I don't want to ruin the camera. So we're gonna let him continue painting, and we'll show you guys the finished product. So alright, so the next step right now we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take all the plastic trim that we removed that's on top of the car in the garage, and we're just gonna spray and do a light cleaning on them right now, just to kind of get like the previous owners and the police department's, you know, gunk off of it. We're gonna reassemble it like that, and obviously once it's assembled, we're gonna do a final detail on the car. But this is just so we're not putting dirty parts in the car, you know, reassembling dirty parts, put it that way.
Okay, as you can see, Alex is getting a good scrub on in the back seats, beneath the seat covers. We're using this product right here, Purple Power. Just mixed it with some water, because this is concentrated chemicals. Just spray it down, and then we're using a, is that a wire brush or just a regular brush?
Just a regular hairbrush.
Just a regular hairbrush to just
not hairbrush, but this is just a regular
brush
bristle.
with some firm bristles.
Alright, so whew, I'm out of breath. We've been doing a lot of scrubbing with this purple power now, cleaning it up. Calvin's gonna be cleaning up all this plastic trim. We sprayed it down, we got it, you know, nice and all that gunk broken down. So now, as you guys see, Calvin's actually finally doing some work. You know, he's been complaining it's cold, so you know, we gotta put him to work. So we're gonna be spraying these down, installing them, and then putting the back seats in and everything in slowly, you know, in order this time.
Okay, so we're just popping back in these moldings.
Can you bring me the other pieces?
Alright, so all you gotta do is just there's a little metal bar here, just gotta get it between a slot. Let me show you how.
Calvin, this is not grinder.
Alright, about a 1/4 inch.
Okay, as you can see, we got everything sorted out. Took some time, but I'm telling you, this bottom part of the seat is a pain in the ass. Because it takes two, you have to like, there's 2 metal bars under each seat, and you gotta push them in and really use some strength to get those in there. But yeah, other than that, it was pretty easy. Bolt this part down, the back part down, and then tuck this under with the seat belts out and slam it in.
Today we got a lot done. We got the trunk painted. We got the inside, the back seats and the trim pieces all installed. Calvin, what else did you do in the front?
Just little clean job going. Okay,
Yeah.
multi-purpose cleaner.
So
Simple.
Yeah.
Clean up all the blood stains and STDs. In the
pretty
police
much,
car.
and all the crack pipes. Don't forget about those.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that wraps up today's part of the video. The next part you're gonna see is us detailing the car, the exterior of the car. We're still waiting on some parts to come in so we could finish the gas tank and fire this baby up and do some donuts.
Yeah.
See you guys later.